Today, more than ever, citizens expect to be provided public services that meet their desires. Even when budgets are thin, residents and visitors demand a public recycling solution. That's where Second Nature comes in. We place specially designed containers in high traffic locations and then maintain them to ensure consistent service and a clean look. We handle the operations, partner with high quality sponsors, and divert recycling materials from the landfill, which will reduce environmental impact while you get the credit. Second Nature, your partner in public services.